Wrong again. What the fuck? the last two lines, but well. I'm just going to have to add, well, the load address that I have. Crazy Mark is I don't have a beard. Sorry, I didn't look at the chat, so I don't know what I was doing. Well, I'm a bit unshaven, so but if I what do you call it? Stroking my chin, it sounds like this. So I don't know. Not different from stroking any skin, I think. Base. We have gathered all the information. Now to store it. And function symbols is in that thing here, which is a set that exists of a symbol class type. What? What else do we have? So, can't remember it. The die, of course. Die, I think. Let's just everything. Oh, wish I remembered how to set a mark, or what is it even called? I think that's maybe backtick. Backtick A. Mark not set. Oh, backtick is jumps. How do I set a M? M A? No. Yeah, actually it is. M to set marks. Use the lowercase a. I think you can only jump to within the same file. Oh, I am in the same file. No, it's a different file. Let's use a capital A and then call it a day. And I want to go back to here and see what the hell we were calling. And place start and this pointer to child I. Oh yeah, that was the last thing. CU name. And that's a character. All of them are character cons pointers, I think. Of course they are. Let's see if we can jump back. Backtick shift A. Yay, awesome. Yep, so let's call this CU name. Now we have func name and linkage name, and we have to put everything in the right thing. Func. And then here we have a CU name from CU name. Copy, comma, linkage name with a thingy. Linkage name. And missing is the no, the CU name. Compilation unit name, this is also mutable, all data is mutable. And then we have this thing here. That is going here. Oops, what the hell? Did that insert? Yeah, I guess. To start and object file pointer, and then we get a dwarf die pointer. And then we have to copy all that. Well, let's put a new line after the key. And then we fill that in. This can be deleted, and now we put that there. Front of, apparently. Start and object file pointers, yep. And here we have the die, which I just copy from, actually, yeah, die. Hopefully that works, otherwise we'll have to use memcopy. Okay, yeah. Now we can construct it. So the symbol key creator just looks at the key. Operator something. The bottom of the stack. Nobody gets this. Nobody gets this. A symbol start address. No, okay. That is not existing, or wait. Oh, it returns start plus the base. Object file base. I mean, we were assigning we already added the L base. I might as well, right? Let's call it a real start. Just to make sure I won't forget it. What? Oh, this is something else. I don't have an M start, I think. Why would I have an M start here? Oh, that's scary. Big false. Oh, well, yeah. No, I don't think I use it, but I also completely lost where I was editing. I need simple CT. Can't find tag pattern. Okay, then not. Let's do it here. I don't know why, but why not? So we're going here, adding here the object file, lbase, or what was it called? Get lbase. Probably. And in which case this is not real anymore. This is just start and end, and then here as well real end, what comes end plus load address. Okay, so we're inserting into a standard set which has a second template parameter, the symbol greater struct. And therefore it's going to use this functor to compare symbols, which then only looks at the start and end, which is therefore part of the key. Ordering it such that if the start is larger or equal end, then it's larger, and otherwise it's not larger. I think that works. Or not. Oh, we cannot construct it. Cannot construct it. Let's scroll up. Unknown type named Dwarf die. Did you mean Dwarf psi? No, I didn't. Where's Dwarf die defined then? Can we only add Dwarf dies? Damn it, does this thing need to be here? Yeah, no. Except when we need this, then we really need it. And this is unfortunately needed as a by value in object file. And so the question is, do we need object file in the header? Hardly. The only reason would be that we have a static there. We would need, yeah, the. Well, why would I even use a static, you know? Okay, let's do something difficult. Dwarf.cc and this file. Next. Like a base class. It's an object file, but really not really. It's just containing the object files, plural. And then even that, you know, it's private as well. Object files, the class type must be known though. And that just uses a pointer to object file, which I might forward declare. Allocate or rebind. Yeah, it's never easy, is it? So we have a need a for declaration of this thing. And then it should be able to do something like object files class type, which is then a base class, which I can use here as a base class. Let's do protected. Actually going to use C++ for this project. So now we move that to a base class. Protected. So we need object files CT there, the size of, which means that we need this to be defined, and that needs the object file to be defined. So this must go up there. But everything above that can now be moved to the other file. I already have that here. Beep. Yep. But delete that as well. Does this look good? Think so. For declaration, pointer, list, uses the size of the standard list. That should work. Object files class type. I should default. No, it's defined. And then this can also move to the other one. So I'm just pasting it in here with an empty line. Got the empty line. Where's my empty line here? That's no longer needed. This, however, can only be done after we can get access to, well, I might as well use the base class now, I see. Still no problem, right? I call that object files now. So that can stay if it wants, and then we move all of this. Symbol creator dwarf class. All of this. What the hell? To this file. Put it somewhere at the top. Imagine me losing my copy paste buffer now. Is group member. What is this? Let's just skip all that. Struct object files creator. Here it is defined already. Load object file. Okay, let's put it in front of this. So object files creator is already defined now. Yes, we don't even forward declare it here. So okay. Now I wonder where this will go wrong. Make loads of go wrong. Incomplete type. You're trying to do something in... Oh. Oh, shit. Okay, probably all of that is going to be get object file. Oops. Grab sources for object file. We have filter, away is nothing, that has it, and again away, and again away. Oh, it's just alloc filter. And the only thing it uses is, well, hide and file name. I think, kind of, yes. Hide and file name need to be accessible. Nah. Yeah. I don't know. So let's call the get object file. I'm not gonna use an S. File base will have to do. Get object file. Base. And base. And then mhide and mfile name. Oh, what did my IC? Extra empty line. Get object. What am I doing? This is bullshit. That is bullshit. Bullshit. What am I doing? Why am I here? Okay, wait a minute. Wait a minute. Mhide. It's a fucking location. What? It's a location class type. Oh, also here. Okay. So this must be moved to... why does this have to be so difficult? This thing is not even derived from that. No. Completely nonsensical. Oh. 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 Okay. How do we undo what we just did? Git diff git restore. it calls get object file, which returns a libcwd object file class type, which is not defined. This is not what I thought it was. It's just defined here. There's it is defined. And that's missing. That's all. Is this also within CW debug elk? Or isn't it? No, that doesn't help. It's when the location is defined. It is elk filter. Dude, how more elk can it be? When I stop talking, then you know that it has become serious. I don't know. Let's just try it again. Did you mean sigh? What about die with lowercase? A lot of ghosts. God is dirty already anyway. Oh, wait a minute. Why does it make any sense? It is a read log, therefore it uses const iterator, which is obviously going to return something that you cannot write to. So after dereferencing that, I should get a const. Oh, maybe it's a pointer const. Yeah, I think it just stores pointers. It stores non-const pointers. So the cast is going to work. Now what? No matching function for call to object of type object greater. Right, because of course object greater is not having the right arguments anymore. Well, whatever. Yes. No, if I had known all those casts in advance, I might not have done this. But yeah, we pass the base class, cast it to the derived class, and then we go on as usual. Oh, we're done. Let's run it. Oh, there it is. No crash. What the hell? How do I know what to do next when it doesn't crash? Oh, this is something. It hints. It gives a hint. Maybe I should just... yeah. We added everything to the set. That is nice, isn't it? Like... at the very least, I could test if every insert is successful. You don't want to insert overlapping ranges or the same range twice. Both of which would fail, by the way. Well, not fail, but yeah, fail to insert. So somewhere we have an insert. Not that one. It's not here. Standard set is insert, isn't it? Totally. Telling me that this is part of the header file. Although, when did I edit the header file last? Here. No insert here either. No. The whole standard map is not used. Grab standard set. Here's my set. Crazy shit. Inserting into that. Yes, we're doing. Oh, and place. Me and insert. So 1999s. Yeah, what does in place return? I have no effing clue. So we do auto. Probably an iterator boolean pair, which I always call like that. And then we do assert, and of course I keep forgetting what to use. That thing is called libcwd assert here. Okay. And then we assert that the boolean is true because I'm pretty sure that true means that it actually inserted it. Is this value type standard recons iterator? The symbol is not convertible to bool. Iterator boolean. I don't know why I was thinking that out. Boolean is the second. Yep. Nope. Not working. That's pretty annoying. What the hell's going on then? Dang, what is going on here? Failed to insert. Can't help it. Failed to insert. Linkage name or func name? Linkage name. Just the whole thing. Should have it. If we have it, right? So maybe do it like this. If you have a linkage name, then use linkage name. Otherwise, use func name with quotes. Comma, range. Of object file. No, just a compilation unit name should work, or do it, or something. Because it overlaps with and then the exact same thing, but then for the iterator. How does one do that? Well, you start with the exact same thing. And then you find a linkage name in the iterator, which means that the iterator, that's IPP first. You can dereference that. After dereferencing it, I get a simple class type. Let's do the dereference thing just once. And then it's going to say you can't access linkage name because it doesn't exist, for example. But what does exist is linkage name thingy. Unfortunately, that is private. Thou shall not access thingies. I'm gonna have to add a load of these things. Const return. And then the same thing for func. Func. And func. And then the same thing for linkage name. And while I am at it, I might as well add an accessor for object file. See what she's going to. The dwarf die. What? The dwarf die. Const pointer die. Const turn the die as a pointer. And then I might even want to access the range there. So start and stuff. Start, let's call it real start. Const turn start. Dwarf address real end. Const return. I can't type. Real end. Now all the accessors are there. Yes. So because it overlaps with linkage name, that should not work. Symbol dot linkage name or symbol dot func name. Range symbol dot start, the real start actually. And symbol dot real end. And symbol dot cu name. Symbol dot unit or not. First of all, binding reference type symbol class type to it's a pointer, idiot. No. Binding reference of type symbol to value of. Oh, I just didn't read the second half. I should have. That's why all my accessors are const. Finally, don't tell me this was the last core dump as well. What be typical for me, I think. I see a core dump, I add an assert, I run it, I see a core dump, and I think, well, it must be that assert. I'm gonna scroll up. This is serious. And I did everything for nothing. Core dump. No, it is not. Okay. It was actually that assert. Assertion IBP second failed. But now we have complaint about not internal failed. Here, what? What? Okay. How about that? Is that good? No, no happy? It's happy. Fail to insert almost everything. Let's try to read one. Completely unreadable ranges though. What do you mean overlaps with? These ranges are completely different. Okay, something's not right. Well, I'm happy, of course, that they don't overlap. Hack your way into printing hexadecimal values. Cast it to void pointer. Here, void pointer. And a void pointer. And make and run it. Write it to the file because it's so big. Failed to insert off. I want to see something that I actually understand. These are not linkage names. Don't tell me I don't have a linkage name for these things. That would be absolutely horrible. Here's a normal linkage name. Why is this not? Why do I not get a demangled thingy for this one? Okay, I can't look at this. I can't look at it because there's a space missing here. Nope. Okay, at least it's in there. So fail to insert what the hell range libdw of dwarf.cc because it overlaps with the same name, not overlapping at all, of something else. But the only thing that's equal here is the name. So that one overlaps with that. Yeah, not. Or maybe it does actually. No, it does not. Not. Overlaps with. Nope, also not overlaps. It seems it's confused with the same function name, even while the range is completely different. Definitely the same function name every time. Yeah, shall I do? Say they look all pretty damn the same. The BE1997 is the same. It's not the case in the other places, is it? If it is only comparing the last 32 bits, it could be a reason. Maybe there's an overlap if you only look at the last. And also it's an F, so maybe, yeah, no, really. Well, no. I'm not getting it. Well, I'm not getting it. Failed to insert that. Range that because overlaps. I mean, oh, it's a different name. Wow. Why does it think that this overlaps? It can hardly be a coincidence that it ends in DD1. What the hell? Oh. Yeah, no, I don't know. Hello, Christian. Chemical gems. What's your CTEX configuration? I tried to use it with my Vim data, but I ended up moving over to Vim LSP a week ago. I don't know what Vim LSP is. My CTEX setup, yeah, well, I mean, I'm sure. Nothing is easy, eh? Still there? It GM something. Seems unlikely. It was a half an hour ago that he asked it, so why would I bore everyone with CTEX stories? If you want CTEX, I do this. That's about it. Where S returns all the source files that I want to use. Map, process. Why does my overlap not work? Question. What am I doing? It's in the description. So anything more detailed necessary? Adding a Dwarf 5, Dwarf version 5 support to libcwd, which is a C++ debugging library that I wrote 20 years ago. And that means actually adding libdw to it. But you probably mean more in detail, like, right? Well, we found all the functions, and they have an address, begin and end. And I'm trying to add every function that I find to a standard set. And standard set returns, I think, a standard pair iterator comma boolean, where then the boolean is set to true if the insertion took place, and the insertion should not took place if it already existed. And if it already exists, means that the key is equal, and the but you only have operator larger than. So when is it equal? Well, it's equal when it is not larger than the other, but also the other is not larger than us. And that it comes down to that the start and end range overlaps, or is equal, of course, but it overlaps as well. But then we print it out, and then we see that the address ranges are like terabytes apart. So they are just not overlapping. So I have no clue what's going on. Okay, yeah, well, that is a bit too general. I'm just doing what you see that I'm doing. Coding. So I'm trying to employ something inside the standard set, being a symbol class type, using symbol key grader. Symbol key grader uses this operator. Two symbol class type references. I think I can even define that here. It should already be two defined, or could try that. Let's try it. Feels like maybe, definitely, you can do this. Put it there. So symbol start address is larger or equal symbol end address. And the symbol, that would be these things. They are inlined as well. They are inlined, so if I put that here, then I have to put the inline stuff also there. Well, I think I can. They should just return real start and real end. So. But anyway, then I have to inline them sooner. So let's move this as well then. Why not all the way up in here? Start 2, 3, DD, P, shift, and another one. Yep, and that can go, and that can go there. A real accessor. Private. Why is it the hell is that private? And we already had accessors, so then I delete it. And then we use here the real start. Dot and then the real end. Now, why would that go wrong? Well, I don't think dwarf address is signed. What is the type of dwarf address? Nobody knows. But it's an address, so it should be large and not signed. It's impossible. I refuse to accept this output. Possible. possible? I mean, yeah. It looks like the addresses are the same and therefore it overlaps, but it prints it differently. I mean, this one starts with 7F and this one starts with FF. So I would say that maybe even the start and end are the same, but we added different load address. Maybe I should print the file name of the object file as well to get a little bit more insight here. So object file. Get object file, get file path. Symbol. What the hell? Object file is this thing. It's not a pointer, it's an object file. CT, which has a function called file path without an underscore. Okay. Why didn't you say so? Those suggestions that the thing makes make no sense whatsoever. I don't know what I'm looking for, but something actually in function without having an incredibly long. How about I just go to the bottom? Here are functions that look like C functions. No, just use this one. Filter, insert some name, range of user libstance plus that slash that is then yeah, and because it overlaps with something else, totally something else. No, it's only is totally something else. The range does not overlap. This is again x7 against starting with an F. It's complete bullshit. Completely different things. Plus it doesn't overlap. It's the same library, different compilation unit. So even the load address is the same. I have so no idea what is happening here. I think it's something to leave to tomorrow, because the only thing I'm interested in right now is hot chocolate. I'm going to make hot chocolate and then I'm going to play chess online. So run while you still can. Where is it? Where is the mug? Oh, it's actually cleaned. I did the dishes. I swear, not expected that. Yes, no, yes, no. It's getting a whole degree colder here every day. every day. You're so shy, is there? Hello, let's play some game of chess, which is a game I'm going to lose again. I feel it, and I have black. I always play Sicilian. I just do. Okay, so the knight cannot come out. I want to attack that pawn, but he's gonna move it forward. And then my knight can go here. Ah, is that a good place there? Not really, really. Could just move this pawn actually. He takes it, I take it. Nah. He wants to move it. Why is he moving this pawn anyway? Oh, he's moving that pawn, never mind. So he wants to move this pawn. I take, he takes. Nothing. Nothing. Okay, I'm going to put my knight there. Defend it. Defend it if you can. Chocolate milk. One chocolate milk coming up. I'm going to take your pawn, yes? Why are you thinking as long as I did? He probably fell asleep. Oh, well, I thought about that in advance. Yeah, okay, the white ones have 2 pawns in the center, so if I take, then pawn in the center. A bit weak. But I don't have to take, I can also do this. And now, if he takes, I take back like that. Oh shit, he's gonna push this. No, he's not. And I locked up my bishop. Not sure what I'm doing. Let's just do this one. Almost always correct. If your opponent plays the knight, do the opposite knight. Now he wants to give me a double pawn, which costs him, well, bishop pair, but where does my knight go? I could go here though, and then he has to move the bishop again. And I can still take here. And he's not going to take with the queen. He's going to take with the knight. Or the pawn. Okay, that's maybe suckage. Okay, no, let's just do something. I attack your bishop, yes. And now attack your bishop again. Now I want to do this because I don't know. And then I do a pre-move with the bishop. No, I don't. Queen. Even worse. So almost everyone takes en passant when they can. Just like, oh, I can take en passant. You probably didn't see that. No, it's not taking en passant. Well, you have to feel kind of the position or a black place on the queen side. But you still have to castle as well. And you think it is safe to castle on this side? Shall I just castle long? So I want to push this pawn, then the knight has to go, and the knight cannot go anywhere, well, except here, but I want my bishop also to be developed there. Maybe first push the pawn and then develop the bishop, but that would be dead. Is it not as dead here? It's all very difficult. I think I'm going to start with this. Now I'm threatening to castle short. He must be scared. Okay, we are gonna push this pawn to there. It takes, I take, not bad. Or push this pawn as well, and then that one. Maybe he's gonna play this pawn over there, and then. Oh, is he going to do it like that? No, that's not good. Nobody believes in this. I mean, like I should play on the, you know, what is it called? Queen side, he should play on the king side. So this is ridiculous. He's just helping me. Helping me. Okay, I'll play on this side as well. Let's both play on this side. What is that? Could push it again and have a pawn majority. I think that's good. Look how good my bishop has become. Before it was completely logged in. And now it's not. Yeah, no, I'm not going to move that knight. No, 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 no. Pawn majority. What happened to my pawn majority? This kind of sucks. Could take like this, at least I have a free pawn then. But so does white. But it's my half. I mean, I have like shitloads of space here. I'm gonna go with my knight. I don't know why. Probably not good. No free pawn. I'm so going to castle short, I think. Let's castle short. The alternative being long, you know. No, yeah, no. Okay. Yep, I do this. He puts his queen there. I don't think so. Or there. No, 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 no. Queen doesn't go anywhere. It's completely safe to do this. My king is so safe. I should have taken this knight and winner. Oh, I can still do that. Thank you very much. Never let a good rook go to waste or whatever. How do they say that? Don't give up. I want to win. Here's another yummy thing which I can just capture for free. We want to take here. So take here. Is that bad? Suppose he takes here. That's a whole pawn. I go to the side. And then he has to go move back. I think I'm going to save my bishop. Why would I not save my bishop? Bleep. Okay, he's going to take here. I just know it. I feel it. He did. Should I be scared now? Am I going to be mated? Yep. So he thinks I'm going to go there with the all queen. Oh. Oh shit. Oh shit. Let's take his queen. At least I'm not going mate now. I could have taken that sooner. I think I could have taken it sooner. He's going to give up, or he's going to see that he can take my queen. But probably still lost. Yeah, I mean I'm plus 13. I can lose a queen or two. He's quite shocked, it seems. Which one? This is the bad bishop. Oh, let's take this one. Bad because these are on black. Now let's open this file. No, or not. That file is good too. Not sure what he's trying to do there. Let's open everything. Maybe open that file anyway. I have two connected free pawns. Something is going to give. Let's just promote. Promote. Could have taken the pawn now, to think about it. Let's put a rook behind it. Not sure what he's trying to do there. I am not sure what he is trying to do. I could take the pawn again, but yeah, I don't know. I don't know. Oh, I'm check. Oh, it's got there. Could have taken the rook. Oh, he thinks he's going to show stalemate. I don't think it matters much. I can move this pawn here. That's totally not stalemate. Okay. Shall I give mate or shall I? No, I'll just give mate. I don't know. Could have given away everything and then get a knight and a bishop, but that would only be fun when they actually play till the end. And in the end, he would not have done that, I think. There is a pawn to d4, so we play the best move. Yes, I should not have been out of theory now, because this is like the most obvious thing to play then. I think I should play this. Oh, well, why not? Why not? Let's stop e4. He enables e4 again, so annoying. e4 is coming. Or not. 4 is not coming. Am I threatening something? Not really, really. I think I should just develop, you know, like the knight come out, take this pawn. It's a kind of a threat. I mean, I might suddenly do 2 moves in a row. Then it would be a threat. Threatening to do 2 moves in a row. He's out of ideas. He's going to give check. No, not going to give check. Let's develop, okay? And give away a pawn. And then he takes this pawn, of course. And then my knight is attacked. And then I don't have much. No, that's nothing. That would be nothing. I don't like it. It's actually a good move what this guy is doing here. I want to take. It's not possible. What about this pawn? Also not very good. Put the knight there. That would work. If he takes, I just move the rook here and I have an open file. But then the knight is kind of dead. I'm doing that. Oh, now I can give check and I have to go here anyway. Well, I can put that back. No, I can do that. Oh, that's nasty. He wants to give check here or there. Do nasty things, but that's not that nasty. I just push this to develop my knight instead of going mate. I could put my bishop back maybe and then take here. Bishop here, he defends that probably. And then I still have nothing. Nah, bishop is very good there. Let's just move this forward, I think, yeah. Oh, another bishop is coming. I suppose the bishop is given check, and I put my knight in front of it, and then that one comes, and he's attacking my knight 3 times, and I cannot defend it. And I'm pinned. But if we go there, I threaten to take this. But then if he takes back, this knight has to move, and I lose my defense there. Actually, his defense 3 times. So I can just go here immediately. No, not really. Maybe I should move this pawn. Just stop that bishop there. It's a nasty bishop. There it is. Well, I just do that because it's development. And maybe the other knight would have been better. But we still have a place. I was trying to think of a reason why the other knight would be better, but I thought this one is not developed yet. Let's put it there. Well, all the time I wanted to put it there, and then there, and then there. I should not have played this knight. I think I lost like 4 tempi or something like that. A lot of tempi. Queen lost a tempi, the knight lost 2 tempis. It's an absolute horror. It's going to move this, I have to move, and it's going to push. And then I have to move that one, so the bishop here is not a good idea. It's just not. I could go here, though. Let's go here. I have to castle. I just got to castle. Yep, still nothing going wrong here. The one castle coming up, except that if I now castle, I lose my queen. That would not be good. And a bishop. Well, just the queen, because I would win the knight back. That's not a castle. White is now going to skip a move in the hope that I castle. He should have moved faster. Now, there would have been a chance that I actually would have castled then. Queen is defending that, can't go there or there. I have to move my bishop, I think. But decided already a while ago that I could not do that. Okay, this kind of just pretty suckage. You cannot go forward. I have to chase this knight away, really. Maybe chase the queen away. Go away. It is something. It is something. Oh, I would give a lot to give Jack here. That would be so nice. If only we could do that. What about putting a knight there? I mean, it's not check, but hey, it's a square that just screams to be occupied by a piece. We're heading for G3. Can still not castle though. I have to remember that, you know, that like not in 17 seconds I'm just thinking, well, let's castle. Okay, so I go here and he moves his bishop and then take the rook. Okay, so I go here, he moves the rook, I take the bishop. That doesn't help me. Doesn't help me one bit. Actually, it might actually, well, at least he can't castle anymore after that. Can't castle. Move the rook and you can't castle. That's what I mean. Oh wait, I made a mistake. I thought I could take here afterwards. You can take back with the knight, and then I can still not take here with check. Sad face. But he takes with the king. Okay, I'm gonna castle. No, I'm not. This guy is still waiting, hoping that I'm going to castle. I just know it. Plus, I'm running out of time. Oh, that was pretty stupid. He's just going to take my knight. And now what? Yeah, that was stupid. And I have no time left. Fuck, 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 fuck. Fuck, 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 fuck. Don't know what to do. I have to go. I want to take something. I finally moved my bishop. Well, at least he ended up with a weak pawn. I can't. I don't think. I'm not going to castle at all. I think it seems like a good idea there. Maybe it should win on time. Oh, like that. Okay. That was not a bad thing what he did there. I can take here because if I then take here, it gives mate. But he's first defending it. Well, then I'm defending my thingy also. Pawn, I mean. I was hoping for that. Nothing to see. Nothing to see. He's not taking my rook with check. Interesting. The annoying thing is that he's still winning. This guy is still winning. Despite. Okay, let's go here. It's called development. You thought I had a rook less, but no. He's a bit careful there. A bit too careful. Okay, move a pawn. Oh, well, that's also good. You can do that. I don't care. It's defended. I mean, what you gonna do? And then he defends that one, and he takes my pawn. This is not going well. Move the other pawn. Nope, he doesn't want to do it. Okay. And I can't even defend it. Well, I can defend it like that. And then he gives check, so I go back and then takes it maybe. Because I want to exchange everything. Yes, and then he's going to promote. Shall I give up? No, don't give up. Never give up. Never surrender. I'm going to escape with my rook. And then wreak things, havoc. Yeah, something. Wreak havoc. That's it. What you're gonna do, you're not going to. So not going to promote on this side anymore. My king is defending everything. He's getting nervous. Only 1 minute left. He didn't like this. No. Still trying to promote, but... Oh, okay. That's annoying. Yep. Oh, F. He really doesn't want to let me win, make a draw. Yeah, no. It's a bit sad now. So we play one more, or shall I do a puzzle? It's been a long time ago. Oops, I just clicked here and immediately I have to do a puzzle. White. Find the best move for white. Can we win? I don't think so. Oh, if I do 2 steps and I'm winning. Yeah. This guy's almost there. He has to do 1 move and then 2 and 3. It's pretty damn equal, except that my king is in the center already. Give check and then do 1 move, but that doesn't help much. My king is too far away from those pawns. I can threaten this one, and then he moves there, and I take a check, and then I go behind it. And then maybe I would win. It's pretty hard to say. Or I can just put my rook in front of the pawn. If he moves this on, I take it, and then I threaten to take here. And if he moves it, I give check and take it. That's an excellent position to start advancing there. Yeah, I think I have to do that. Bleep. And it's not the right move. Minus 13 points. Okay then, how about I just attack this pawn? If he moves it, I take it. If he, no, I give check and take it. So the only option he has is moving that pawn. Then I take it with check, and then I go behind it. Oh, that was my previous idea. Yeah, I don't feel he's just going to eat my rook then, and then go back. And then I eat his rook and I win. Is that a thing? Yep, that's a thing, apparently. Oh, God. Pathetic. Check here. Check. It goes there. And then we need a check here, and he moves the bishop in between, and I take it in his mate. This is a check, check, checkmate. My rating has become so low that it is a check, check, checkmate again. Oh my God. Those are too simple. Plus 14. Okay. White to move wins, I guess. Find the best move. Where's my hot chocolate? Damn it, I forgot the water again. I can take here, and he cannot take with the queen because of the bishop. So afterwards I take with the rook here. Then that one is attacked. Can't give check, I just take it. Knight takes knight. I don't really, but by now I would already have moved it in any other case. He's not threatening anything. After I take it, he can give check, but then I just go there, and by that time, nah. I'm gonna take that knight. Definitely going to take that knight. Or I could put my knight here and threaten to take the pawn. Undefendable. Okay, I take, you take with the bishop, and then I take here. I can't calculate that. He gives check. No, he doesn't. The rook has to move. Take, take. If I take here, you could just take here maybe. And if I take here, I defend that square as well. If I take with the bishop, you could take. And then I have nothing. I just have to take here, I take there, defends everything. Yeah, I'm gonna take. Okay, that was good. Now what? Now this pawn has to go, and it is free. And after taking it, I'm opening this diagonal on this king, and I'm threatening the rook. He can hardly move the rook. He just can't move the rook. So after taking this, he has to defend the rook with the queen. But then he gives up the defense of the bishop. So best continuation. He would take my bishop, and then I take the rook, and then he would give check, and then I go here, and then he can give check like that, and then I push my pawn, and then I'm up a rook. No, I'm gonna take here. Oops, take here, I mean. Huh? Yes! Well, I don't know if it's some thumbs up or down, because I just guessed it a bit. Let's just do the next one. That looks like we have to sacrifice something. Knight here threatens mate in 1, and if he takes, well, I could have given check here if the queen was not there, at which point he would have only bishop there, queen takes mate. So I can play my knight here, he takes, and then I take with the rook there. So far I haven't given away a knight, but I'm threatening mate in 2, and he cannot give up the defense of that. So where is he going with the queen? Not here, not here, not here, not here. He's just lost. This is the move. And then we take here. Yeah, like that one. Well, he's attacking my queen. Hot chocolate. Okay, target. The knight is a target because it's defended once and attacked once. But he could take here with check, and therefore it's not really a target. However, I could start with taking here, take back the bishop, and the bishop is a target. Then what can I take? I could take here as well, and then take with the pawn. Oh, right. Except, of course, that my rook is not defended. And this rook is attacked. by that time. Choices, choices. Opening this file cannot be wrong. I just take here and then I'm threatening to take there. What's he gonna do? Oh, take my queen. I feel I have to start with taking the knight because my queen is attacked. Or I would have to start with moving the queen and then he's probably... Yeah, no, it's too vague. I give check here, double attack. He has to move back. That's not a bad one. I give check, so it is a target because I can attack it double with check. So then he moves it and he cannot go there, not really, because then I take this pawn, attacking that pinned knight and this pinned knight and everything is pinned and he's just completely lost. And he can also not go there, now I think about it, because he just take it. Wins a piece. Or I first take it, and then he takes back, and then I give check. Is that better? Because it looks like the same thing. Looks like I win a piece in both cases. So which one is better then? They both look equally good, but yeah, can't be it because it's a puzzle. If I give check here and it puts a knight there, and then I take his pawn, I'm +1. He cannot really attack. Yeah, probably should take here first. Take, check, I come here. Everything is defended. He's gonna play this maybe. I take first here, could play this. Nah. Check, check. I'm gonna take like this. Intuition. No, we still won't know. I'm really going to look at play with computer. What the fuck is this? I don't want to play this with the computer. Can't go, oh, like that. Goodbye. Let's go back like this. All the way. Ugh, now it's a complete game. That one, yep. And now play with the computer. Which, and that's my turn, I'm +6. And the question is, what happens if I just do that? -4. Holy moly, I missed the queen in front of it. Oh, indeed. Yeah, the pin of this one is gone. I can't take here because I can't take here. He attacks my queen. Yeah. Oh, I totally missed that one. Totally missed that one. That's really bad. How can I miss that? Okay, good one because I didn't see it as it were. As it were. Now what? Black to move and win. Okay, I can maybe attack the queen here. Sacrifice a rook. And then we can take with check. And if he goes in the corner, I give check again. He goes there and it's made onto 2 fields here. And if he goes there, I also give check like that. And then he goes there or there. And then I give check like this maybe. Or here. So he has to go there. And then I win the queen back. No. I'm going to sacrifice my rook. He's attacking my queen. I had not thought about that. Yeah, I guess I could go here because it's check. And then take the queen. And if he puts us in the middle, I just take the rook. It's winning, but is it the best? Is it the best? That is the question. I think I'm going to do it because I don't see another move. He is not giving up. Now I have to save my rook from... I don't know what. I can go here. He attacks it again. I go there. And then he attacks it again. Oh, I'm gonna lose my rook. Whoa! And I'm still doing the best move. No problem, man. But you're still here. Actually, C-tags. Yeah, I don't do anything special with C-tags. I just run C-tags on all the source code that I'm interested in, and that's it. Well, what problems did you have with it then? Well, I'm using aliases, bash aliases, to simplify things a bit, and I'm running a script to convert the C-text file to highlighting, syntax highlighting. But nothing special, as it were. I can go here, I can go here, yeah. And then he attacks me, and I go there, and he attacks me again, and I just defend it. No, actually, where's the queen? King? There? Just take this pawn. And then I can defend it like this, maybe, and then he gives check, and then you just go blah, 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 blah. Well, let's not give away the rook, right? Everywhere else we give it away, so... Well, I don't know. The computer gives up. Oh, I can even take this pawn with the other rook. Everything is completely defended. Ah, well, your symbols must have very unique names. Yeah, that's one of the reasons, of course. You never use abbreviations, only use full English descriptions, never use duplicated names for functions or variables when they do not mean almost literally the same thing. So the one is a copy of the other. But yeah, sometimes I do it too, like very large code base. I just call stuff initialize when it initialize something. And then you end up with 15 initialize functions. That can definitely suck. So maybe your code base is even larger than mine. I'll work on a maximum of, say, 500,000 lines of code. It's pretty workable. I want to do the next one. Continue training. There. White plays and does not exchange the rook. Why not? Because we can't. Well, you have a connected double pawn here, though the king cannot do anything. But my king can also not do anything. Let's see. I can get this one and then walk here and then eat that one. And but by the time I'm here, this one walks, right? Which one walks? This one. Maybe I'm faster. Maybe I'm faster, of course. I'm just gonna stand here with my king in the middle and then walk with those pawns. So that king is gonna go that way. Can't take my pawns because they are connected. And then I also cannot promote too. But I'm just standing here, going all the way with my pawns to maybe pretty far. And then I'm gonna move my king here and promote. And maybe faster than this pawn. What do you think? We can't move it up before I'm here with my king, and I'm just not going to do that. Because, well, if you move this pawn, I just take it. Or take there, I have 2 free pawns. Everything loses. What did I say again? I can't think of that word. Caranimo or something like that? No, my king or... No, just pawns, right? King or pawns? Oh my god, does it make a difference? Apparently it makes a difference. How can that make a difference? I think not moving your pawns is usually the best thing. You just improve your king until this king gets pesky, and then you start walking. But in this case, I don't think it should not make any difference if I move my king first or move this pawn too. I really don't see how that could make a difference. What does black have? Maybe move this pawn. I just take it. Probably not. No, let's not take it. So he takes me, and then I take back. And then he wants to move this pawn, maybe twice even, that would be a threat. So I have to take en passant. And then if his king is there, and he can just take back, then I kinda need to be advanced with my pawns already. Unless I can stop him from getting in here. So suppose I move my king, and he moves there, and I move my king again, and he takes and I take. And he moves his king here, and I have to take this one, and he moves this pawn 2 up, here's check, and I take en passant. And then I lost all my pawns on this side, and he has 2 free pawns. And I can't take those, I think. Well, depends. Man, this is way too difficult to see. So the other way around, if I move this pawn first, I mean this is furthest away from the king then. And he's going to move this one. Maybe that's even faster. So I move it again, and then he moves here, and I take it, and he takes. And then he's outside the square. Is that true? Would that be the reason? So I move, he moves, I move, he moves, I take, he take, outside the square. Yeah, that makes a difference. I think I have to move this pawn then. This pawn even. Well, yes, it was good. It was good. And now we have to move it again or not? Yeah, he threatens to move this. And then I take, he takes, I move, and he's inside the square. I just have to move it again. Pooh. This is still not easy to win, so I'm gonna win it against the computer. So, okay, just defend that. And then take this pawn. And then we walk in that direction. And I'm gonna eat all of these, except that I can't immediately. So the whole point is, the idea now was that at the moment I take this, he has to start running, and then I must be faster. Or I could maybe go here and then go there, and then threaten to promote. It's probably better. I go here. As soon as I move 1 pawn forward, this guy would like to. I think I'm faster. I think I have to move this pawn first. Anyway, I have to go here. Yeah, now I just walk. Now I just walk. I didn't look here, by the way. And now I'm seeing that it is made in 5. Yes. I want to go to 2400 again. Although that's kind of difficult. I could threaten. The check feels like the best move here. And then you could go there, but then I go there and I just threaten to give check and mate, which is pretty devastating. And if he goes there, well, same thing. I just give check and then threaten mate on the back rank. And if he puts the knight in between, I just go here and eat the knight. This must be the right move. Has to be. And it is. So now where to go? The rook. If we go here, I threaten to give check here. And then he moves and then mate here. Definitely the further side. What can he do? It's not like he can move the knight here or something. Or he could actually. Suppose I go here and he moves the knight here and I give check. And he goes behind the knight. And then I can pin it again. Would still win. Probably. Or he can come back with the knight, with the rook here. Then I can give check here and he goes there and I don't have mate because the rook can go in between. So what if I go there and he goes there and I give check here, same thing, no? He goes there. Then I give check, okay, puts the rook in between, I can give check from this side and then win the rook. So I think I have to go there. Yep. Yep, and then that's the continuation. Puzzles are so much easier than real games because you know that there is something. In a real game, you feel insecure like hell. You don't know if there is anything, and if you try, like I'm trying now, like, yeah, well, maybe there is something, so then it would be this move, then you lose because then there is nothing. Yeah, so you just should really just see it. Well, this bag's taking here, right? With check. Put the rook in between, not a good move. Push the pawn forward, could be a good move. Threatens to take my bishop. Nah. What about queen there? Threatens to give mate. So he's going to move the pawn or the rook. And then I can take here. And then he's going to push the pawn anyway. And then nothing. Well, the rook might not be the best idea though, because I can have this one move here. And he can't take anymore then. So queen here, rook there, my rook here. Threatens to take the rook and give mate. He cannot take me. He cannot go back. He can only defend it with the queen. So let's say he pushes this pawn forward. Yeah. I don't see it. Oh, wait. No. Yeah. The problem with taking here was that my queen was pinned. So I go here first, threatening, and he puts the rook in between, and then I can take here. Because then he must push the pawn, and then I win equality. That's something. Plus a pawn-ish. I don't know. Maybe. I can also take with the queen. Definitely take with the queen. Definitely. He cannot take my queen. I just take the queen back and win a full rook. So if you take with the queen, he must push this pawn. And then what do I have? Again, nothing. Oh, then I win the rook. This queen takes pawn. Check. Threatens to win the rook. If he takes, he win the rook anyway. This is just a full rook. That is the move. +9. Not really going fast, is it? Ooh, a pawn endgame. Always very interesting. But that keeps a draw, I bet. How can we win this? No way we can win this. Unless we win it because we have a free pawn on this side. Yeah, totally won for black. We make a free pawn here. King has to run there to stop that. Then I take this and that and then promote. The only downside is that this pawn is still there, even after I take two of them. And that's probably the reason why it matters which pawn I take with. I think I have to take like this. Then he takes like this, I can just walk. And then the king has to go there, and this one can't walk because I still have a pawn here. And in the meantime, I'm going to just eat everything. If I take like this and he takes like that, I just either make a double pawn or... And I can't even walk because that would be ridiculous. This must be the free pawn, obviously. Yeah, I have to take like that. And now walk. Now I would like, I can't walk there. I have to take this one first. So the king is absolutely annoying and therefore we pull it away. And then take this pawn. And now we have to think again. If I walk this way, let's see. If I walk this way, there would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 moves till promotion. Well, he's just doing 1 and I have 2, 3, 4, 5, or I have to take it and then also 3, 4, or 5, 6 or something like that. No way, I cannot get this pawn. My king has to help on that side. So I'm going to go here. He must take, otherwise, well, nothing's going to happen. Then I go here and he loses this pawn. And he loses that pawn, because he can get on one of these 3 squares. And then he has to take the opposition in order to stop me from promoting with this pawn. So I go here, he goes there, I go here, he goes there, I go here, he goes there, I go here, he takes my pawn, I go here, he starts running, I take, he goes there, I go here, he goes there, threatens to go to one of these squares, making it a draw. But I can stop him just in time with the king here. That is the way we have to play it. Bing. I don't have to play it. Let me play this. He doesn't even want to take it. He doesn't even want to take it. Come on, up. He wants to do it like that. No, okay. The computer has given up, I feel. He didn't even try. It didn't even try. It didn't even try. Oh no. I should have played something else. This is not the fastest way. Maybe I should have played something else. Maybe I should have played... So slow. What am I doing? It's really bad. Let's go back. This is ridiculous. I think my mistake here is I have to cut off to 3 lines instead of staying on 4. Let's see. So replace that. I can just go there. Cut off to 3 lines. That's much better. Now we do that. Cut off to 2 lines. Why not? Oh, he lets me do it like that. And now. Good question. Cut off to 1 line. But. Can't say it's really fast. I have to go to 2 lines again. This is just the fastest way, I'm afraid. Which is kind of silly. Is it really? Is it really? What about this move? Yeah. No, I don't know. Doesn't feel like the fastest way to get made, I have to admit. What was I doing? Continue training. Yeah, 1 more and we might have 2400. If I win this one. Okay, just take the knight. You cannot take back with the queen, because then I take the queen, you take like that, I give check and I win the bishop. So I take here, he takes with the pawn. How does that help me? Well, then I pin the queen, so we can defend the dome. Taking the knight is just a move. I'm sure of it. So he takes there. And then I go here. Threaten to take the queen. Queen cannot go away because it's pinned. Queen can not go there because it is exchanges and win the bishop. So he has to put the rook in between. Or I can defend the queen maybe here. Rook in between is more annoying though. Yeah, I'm just gonna take it. Unless there's something super obvious. It's not out. It's minus 17. No. I really was sure that was it. But it's not. It's not the right move. Then maybe, change of order. Go there. But what if he goes there? I can go there, threatening something. Then he goes back. That doesn't help me one bit, does it? Take, or that would be beneficial to me, I think. So he goes there, he goes there. Threatening this one. It's not a bad move. Or he take, the bishop has to move and I can take here. Okay, I'm gonna go for this one. Also not. Damn. Wow, what? No, I don't know. I have no clue whatsoever. I could put my queen here maybe, but it's also not it. No. Oh, this is a difficult one. Oh, queen here. If he takes, I take with attack on the knight, which can't move because it is pinned. And if he doesn't take, then he has to move the queen, maybe, or let's try it. Yeah, that's the one. And then he just takes back. Why? Why is he taking back? Is there nothing else you can do here? No. He takes. I don't want him to take. Okay, I want to try something else. What's the threat here? Oh, it really has to let go of this one? No, I'm just gonna go here. No, it doesn't let me move for... I want to try going there. Oh, now we do it. He takes a knight, so I have to take something back. Okay. Oh, like that. Yeah. So indeed, in the end, you get that. For example, I take here, and he just takes and takes, and I give check and win the bishop. Nice. Too difficult for me, but... So you go here, and then the threat is very difficult. very difficult. Oh. Oh yeah, if you go here, well, the threat is... Not really. What about the rook there? I'll try this one. No, don't move. Let's go there. And that doesn't allow me. Flip board works. Okay. Nope, also not. One back, one forward. One back. Crazy shit. Also take there. Well, after you take that, the queen is attacked. You just have to take it. Otherwise you lose. No, I can take here. Oh, this line. That's what they should have shown, I think, as well. But friends to go here maybe? I don't know. Okay, in the end we go, well, might as well go here. Jesus, just way too difficult, this. Way too difficult. So it's not a good it's not a good puzzle. This is too difficult. I mean, after moving here, not that I saw it, but after moving it is rückziehlos take it. Well, what about that move? Find this one. And then don't take here with +8, just take here and show that you know how to make this. Because how does it continue? There's still equal amount of material on the board. So we go there, goes here, puts a rook in the corner. What? Oh, if you don't do that, then you can't put the queen here. Yeah, you would like to put the queen here, but then it takes a rook, and therefore we can take here, and then we go in the middle, and then we go there, and then you go there, and then you go there, and then you have to go there, and then you go, oops, check again, and black says draw, and he says let's repeat twice before we do that, and then you take it, and it takes back, and then you win the bishop. Of course. Yeah, I saw that. Bad puzzle. Well, this is kind of obvious. Just give check here, right? No, because the queen takes. Okay, you just take the queen. He takes, and then you win the rook. That looks like a 1300 puzzle. What am I missing? Take a queen, can't be wrong. He takes, I take a whole pawn. Oh, he puts a rook in between. Rook goes in between. Yeah. I'm not going to win that then. Nope. Well, actually, the rook is pinned, so the rook is out of the play. The king can't move, because then I take a free rook. What's he gonna do? He'll have to move this pawn, and then the king, and then I have to take, and then he lost this pawn. And in the meantime, I hope that I will be winning somehow, right? Yeah, well, what else is there to do than to do this? No, I just have to take you. I'm taking you. Okay. Now the puzzle really starts. I could push my pawn now, and then the only chance white has is move this pawn and then move the king. So I push my pawn, and then if he pushes the pawn, I push this pawn again, and then he can't move at all. I just collect this pawn and then this pawn, and I win. This is the move. Okay. Yeah, 2400 coming up, because this is an easy endgame, right? Find the black move, find the best move for black. Well, most logical thing, you take this pawn, And then obviously white gives up, except he pushes this one with check. So you just take that pawn as well. Yeah, he can't do that. So we take this pawn, he cannot push because he just take it. What's white going to do? Nothing. Nothing. What is white going to do? Just take this pawn. Okay, but then it's maybe dwarfish because the knight can never move, otherwise he just walks. What is the next thing? What is white going to do? White could move the king. King back and forward. Have to guard this square. And then I go here, and then he gives check, and I take that pawn. And then he moves that pawn here, threats to promote, but the king is there. And my king is here, and my knight is here. No, that's not easy. I take, he moves the king here. Check. King here. No. I'm going to take here. So now if I move my knight, he will give check. And then the problem is, well, I can give check here though. Oh no, I cannot. Well, I was thinking taking here, I cannot do that. I give check here, it goes back. And then I can go, I can give check here. Ah, no. Goes back. I could go back here with the knight. Doesn't help much. What if I go here, taking this pawn? He gives check. I take this pawn. He promotes. I go back. He moves the king here. My knight is way too far away. Maybe should not take this pawn. With the king anyway. So I go here, I move, and I just move my king here or there. Probably here. If he moves the pawn again, I just take this pawn with the knight and totally win. So he's wanting to, well, I'm going to take this pawn anyway. He can defend it with the king like this. Oh, that's, yeah, we don't want that to happen. No, we don't. Totally don't want it to happen. So I have to kind of take it, I think. And then he pushes again, and then I have to defend this square. I can't do that with my king. But then he goes there, and then he could promote if it wasn't for. I could go to this side. Doesn't help much. We just promote. Give fork. And then I don't think I win this. To the side here, maybe? No, that would be check. So I'm here and his king is there. Go there, he goes up. I go there, he goes there. I take it, he clocks me in. That doesn't work. Still think I should not take the spawn. But then, what if we go here? If he moves this pawn forward, I could take there the knight. That defends both this and a promotion square. That would be pretty good. So you could go back. But then if he pushes this pawn, that would be bad, 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 bad. I don't see it. Maybe move the king right away then, instead of the knight, to get out of this check. Here maybe. Can't move this pawn, I just take it. And if he moves that pawn, then I could give check, and then he must go there in order to defend that one, which doesn't help me very much. Nice. Again, threaten to give check here, which is disastrous. Oh, I see it. It's easy. Well, it's easy once you see it. I did not see it for a long time, so it wasn't easy. Indeed, I go here. Well, he gives check, and then I take this pawn, and he pushes there, and I go back with the king, and he goes back there and threatens to promote, and then my knight goes here. Stopping promotion, giving check, he's done. Done. This is definitely the move. Yep. Tough one. And we are over 2400, so that's time to stop. Definitely time to stop. I'm gonna go to bed. Good night.